Snow and frost do not let go of Texas and other southern U.S. states. A powerful winter storm, raging in the central and southern parts of the United States for a week, brought severe frosts and snowfall. Joe Biden declared a state of emergency in Texas due to record-breaking frosts. The thermometer dropped to -18 degrees centigrade. From a strong frost burst water pipes in houses. On Tuesday, February 16th, about 3.5 million Americans in Texas were left without power. The cyclone caused the shutdown of almost half of the state's wind farms. The National Weather Service reported that more than 150 million Americans live in areas where winter storms are expected. So far, the Arctic cyclone has killed at least 23 people.
So I'm preserving the heat with aluminum foil. Cover it. Here you can see the chai is... I'm making the chai.
Can you move the foil, please?
And I'm using the candles here and the tissue stand.
Finger on some real shit and then posting that hoe. I would only do it that.
Yeah, I'm healthy, but I don't know. Holy shit! Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh my god! Turn the water off. Should I go up there and pop it back up? I don't want to. Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, what the fuck? There goes our house.
What? What is this? Oh, okay. That's not good. Yay. Wonderful.
Place. Thank God for our gas. Hopefully that doesn't fail us next. And now it's time to get innovative in the meantime. So obviously, no power, no fridge, no freezer. So we threw everything out here and let nature do its thing. Also, no running water means no toilet to flush. So getting some water from my pool. And we're gonna do it the old school way. All right.
This is where the ceiling initially fell. Trying to assess the damage depletion. Yeah, this is where the ceiling initially fell.
Y'all, look at my God. Look at my house. Look at my house. We've been at my mama's. Look at my house. Every room. Every room. Every room.
My poor palm tree. Oh, I can't stand it. This needs to end.
Come on, Trixie, get out there. Go, Trixie, go. Yes.
Oh, he's taking the ice.
Can't feel my hands. Oh, this hurts my hands. Bruno, get over here. Come here. Come on. You better get that toy. Get out. Get out.
Girl, aisle after aisle, row after row. Guys, so this is my house. I don't know what to do. It's all, everything's flooded. Oh my god.
Okay, I've got the neighbors over here, Jet, and we're calling the villages to see if we can get your water turned off.